Make sure he knows you wear the pants.
Oh, here comes the cat. Nope, there goes the cat. Doodles, why don't you go get him?
Is it really hers?
Huh? Where'd he go?
You get him. She gave him to me. Did you?
No, Jake. She's crying for you. I told you asked about it, right? The girl freaked. She had a hissy. She thinks you're the cat's meow.
Really? She came up to me in the gym today.
Duties. Mr. Duties. Hey, Mr. Duties. Where'd the kitty go? Uh-oh, there we go. Okay, get him, Doodles. Where'd he go? Go find him. Where'd he go? Get him. Where is he? Where? Oh, here we go again.
From Jada. Sparta's my Sparta. Kitty. And the dog is named Doodles. Go, Sparta! Go, Sparta! Go, Sparta!
Doodles, come back here. Doodles! Come back here with your toy. Smack him, Doodles. Smack him. Don't put up with that pooty cat. Get him, Doodles. Get that pooty cat. He's beating. He's attacking you.
Ooh, we got his leg. Oh!
Good.
Here. No, you don't take me out like that. Doodles, don't bite so hard.
He ain't biting hard. If he was, the cat would bite him.
No, the cat doesn't bite. Only if it gets a hold of it. See?
Don't you?
I'm trying to bite his legs, but he can't.
Crazy animals.
I don't think you have any noise on your phone.
I'm watching the crazy animals.
Go, Doodles, go!
Doodles, he's gonna get you.
Sparta! Get him, Sparta! Get him. Doodles is moving the carpet.
I know.
That's gentle.
Get him, Doodles. Get him. Get him, Doodles. Get him, Doodles. Oh my gosh. Nope, back this way. There they go again. Oh, coming back. Hey, don't move, don't move.
Not.
You tired, Doodles? Is the kitty wearing yet? Oh, here it comes. Whoa. Where'd it go, Doodles? Don't, Jada. Where'd he go, Doodles? Oh, no, he ran in the other room.
But Doodles seems fine.
Doodles, you having fun? Yeah. Oh, look, he's over there. Here he comes. Oh, and now he's gonna go hide again. I know he's a sneaky cat. Doodles, Doodles, you better watch out for that sneaky cat. Doodies, where's the sneaky kitty?